So to install iyanko on an Android device, you can just search for Chrome. So you can search for Chrome or any other browser that you use, but I recommend you use Chrome for this one. So you tap on Chrome there, and when you come to the website, of course it has just immediately landed on this website, but you'd have to type in iyanko.com so that you land on this website that I'm on. So once you land on the website, on most Android devices, it will show the install button. So it's showing install iyanko there, so I can just tap on install and then it's going to install the application. But for some other devices where the install button doesn't show, you can simply tap on the three dots that are there in the top right corner. So there are some three dots there in the top right corner, and for some other devices it will show a red down arrow and the tray is going to open. Then when you scroll to the bottom, you're going to see the add to home screen button. So you can just search in this same tray. There's going to be add to home screen button. So I'm just going to tap on add to home screen, and then it's going to bring up this tray. Then I'm just going to tap on install. So don't tap on create shortcut. So you can just tap on install there, the first button. So I'm just going to tap on install, then I'm going to tap on install again. So as it has written there, it's saying installing iyanko. So you can just wait for it to first finish. So now it has written app installed. So now that the application has been installed, I can now go back to my home page and it's now going to be there. So as you guys can see, I now have iyanko there, and I can just tap on it and it will open the application that way.